Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about power. What is power? What's the definition for power? What does it actually mean? And also we're going to explore how power is needed in literally every single sport. Okay, so we're going to start off with the definition. The definition for power is the ability to perform strength-based movements at speed or quickly. Okay, so there's two aspects to that definition. You've got strength-based movements, but that's not enough on its own for power. They've got to be performed quickly. Now, it's a bit confusing when you first hear that definition. I get a little bit confused when reading that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to split it into different sports and apply them to different sports, and hopefully it will make a bit more sense. So when you apply that principle of power to football, is probably one of the most obvious examples, and shooting in football, you need strength in your quadricep groups as one of the main groups when kicking the ball for a shot, okay? But is strength enough on its own? It's not really, is it? Because you can have the strongest quads in the world. However, when you're kicking that ball, if you kick it slowly and not at speed, that ball is just going to roll really, really slowly towards the keeper. Whereas if you've got a really strong quadricep group, you're going up to take the shot, maybe a penalty, you kick the ball, you've got all the strength in that leg and you're whipping your leg around really quickly, that's when we're going to get the pace on the ball, and that is what we call power. Okay, so that's one example in football. Think about javelin. A javelin athlete is coming up, they've got the javelin in their hand, they go back, they've got huge biceps, okay? They're really strong, really toned, they've got the strength, but once again, they don't have the speed and they're coming through at this pace, releasing the javelin's just going to drop. There's no power there. So you need the strength and the speed, whip round quickly, and that is where you get that, that power from in the javelin. Okay, I'm going to give you another example. Just going to tilt the camera down slightly to show you this one. So the next example is the 100-metre sprint start. So with the 100 metres, similar but different in a few ways. So you start down in the blocks, so you're in the on your marks position. All the power from the drive is mainly coming from the legs and the arm drive. So if you're down there, on your marks, set. Once again, I've got the strength, but I'm coming up really quick, really slowly on the go. That is not power. The strength is not enough. But when you add the strength times the speed. Now I'm going to struggle with this because I'm in my room, but on your marks, set, go, and you're instantly driving off of the blocks. That is where we're going to see the power and the really improved performance. So hopefully that makes a bit more sense. Now we've gone through a few sporting examples that power is strength times speed, both of them put together. In the next few videos, I'm going to be taking you through some of the tests for power. I'm also going to be taking you through some different activities that you can do whilst at home to improve your power. Thanks for listening.